Hello and welcome back to video tutorials on how to set up a Cubit website. This video tutorial is about setting up contact forms, newsletter signups, and quote request forms. I'm going to do a very simple form for you right now, one that just shows how to create a quick form, quick contact form based on one of our pre-designed form templates, so the first step is, of course, to log into Cubit, and then click on Create Form. A little window will pop up like this. It'll ask you for the contact or for the form name, and I would just put contact us. The email address would be your email address, of course, and then the email subject would be something to the effect of I highly recommend putting your name, the website name in there. That way you can see which form it is in case you have multiple forms, and which website it's from in case you have multiple websites. Okay, now the landing page you will actually get from Site Tech Support. And go to the video tutorial page that you're actually watching this on now, and just copy this address right here, and then come back to the form and just paste it in there. The most important part of that, the address is the /static/think-u.html. That's part of everyone's website, and is part of the Cubit system, and it's just a pre-designed form. And then, of course, you're going to put your website in here, not your website, but your actual domain. And in this case, we're using Affordable Storage PA. And then what we're going to do is choose the Contact Us form, which is a pre-made form template. If you wanted to start from scratch with a blank template, you just choose none, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the pre-designed form template that I put together. Show in menu means whether it's going to show in your menu or not, and what you would want to do if it was not going to show in your menu. You'd want to, if you wanted it to pop up and be a window similar to this one right here, you would choose, you would uncheck that so that you could then make a link to go to that and set the size of the window, and it would be its own little form. If you want it to appear in the menu like a normal page, like a Contact Us page, you'll make sure that's checked. So once you're done, you just hit Create Form, and then the page will open up for the form builder, and you'll see that it's all pre-filled. You can, of course, edit it, move it around in the list. All you do is grab the little handle with the arrows and drag it, and you can put it in a different order if you want to. To create a new question, you just click the button over here with which kind of question you'd like to ask, drop downs. This, of course, is a sample of a drop down. A text area is a large area here that's able to you can type multiple lines of text. Checkboxes, radio buttons, those are all pretty common form elements. If you want to edit your form settings, which was what the little window that was originally popped up, you would click Form Settings, and you can adjust everything there. So you can change the address, you can change the landing page, and whatever you need to. If you'd like to view the form, you'll click that. It'll open up the window that shows you the form. So back to editing the form. When you're finished creating the form and modifying and or doing whatever you need to do to it, you can go ahead and hit Exit to Cubit, and then of course you'll need to refresh to show the new page you just added, which there it is, and you'll be able to, of course, edit that and move it up and down in the menu as normal with any page in Cubit, and you can also delete it. So what we're going to do now is refresh the page, and you'll see Contact Us, and you can go ahead and click that, and then it shows the form here. And what you'll do is hit Submit, and just to test to make sure that your required fields are working. And of course the customer will get this grayed out background with this message that says attention, one or more required questions were not answered. They can close that and they can see the message here that says we will need this information in order to respond to you. Thank you. If you want to change that, that's very easily changed as well. You can set any of these fields to be required, and that's it. So basically what will happen is this form will collect the information. Once they hit submit, it will take them to a landing page which will look similar to this here. This is the standard thank-you.html page. If they click back to our site, it takes them to the home page, and that's it. You can do a custom landing page to go to another page within Cubit where you can put a special, maybe a product you're going to give them, a download, a PDF file or something you want to give them after they filled the information out, or maybe they can buy a product from you at that point, or they can just you can just create your own thank you page, but this is pre-made for you and ready to go. So that concludes our lesson on creating forms. We'll see you next time.